I just got this DeWalt. Pressure washer from by a dumpster. Somebody said I guess they don't want it. Plus, top of the electrode don't look too bad. I gotta take that plug out. Let's see if it's good or not. It got a little bit of oil. It got a little bit of gas in it. Everything looks to be here. It haven't been raining in a long time. And from the way this pressure hose is sitting on here, don't look like it was being used in a long time. It got some oil in here, but I don't know how much. I'm gonna have to do some research and see how much oil is supposed to be on here. The compression, it, it got compression, so it needs some air in the tires. I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna take it loose and see if I can get it to fire up. I don't think nothing wrong with it. I don't think nothing serious wrong with it. Somebody just don't have the patience to probably clean the choke and clean the carburetor to get it to working. It look like it got everything, don't look like nothing missing off of it. So I'm gonna see if I can get it to work. From the looks of it, I think it still got the tag on it. I think you take the tag off if you ain't using it. I mean, if you're using it, it still had a tag on it. So it was sitting somewhere in one of them warehouses where I got it from, about a dumpster. And I guess they probably tried to crank it and it wouldn't crank because it sat so long outside somewhere. And instead of trying to fix it and everything, they probably just went and bought another one, you know? So I don't think nothing really wrong with it. I'm gonna check the oil level once it settled down, because I just had it on the back of the golf cart. I'm gonna check the oil level again. And I think I got some Motorcraft oil, but I think I can go get some, I don't know what type of oil it take. I'm gonna figure it out. But I think it's just a filter. Let's see how this filter look. If this filter, shit. Yeah. Filter a little dusty. Don't look too bad. I think this thing gonna fire it up. Maybe or not. I got some starter fluid. I think I got some starter fluid. Yep. I got some starter fluid. Starter fluid gonna let me know if the carb needs to be cleaned or not. I'll fish that out sooner or later. It's just like that. The motherfucker run. I took this food, mess around with 2 things in here, drain some of the gas out of here. I'm gonna put some new gas in here. I drained some of the fluid out of this bowl down here. I sprayed a little bit of starter fluid down in here, and it kicked in. I cranked it, kicked on. The next thing I see is the pump work. I put some fluid in there, and just like that, it runs. I had to get my tool bag in my truck and dump it all out 'cause I look for parts. But yeah. Alright. So after messing around with this a little bit more, it runs, but you have to put start fluid in it. I think this gas, is bad. It got a smell to it. It don't smell like no regular gas. So I don't know. Probably take this gas out of here. And yeah, I'm gonna take this gas out of here. I'm trying to see if it'll burn off. I got fluids. I got oil. It's got oil in it, but that's gonna get changed too. Oil and pump engine oil and pump oil. Now I'm missing. I guess it's supposed to be some type of screw on for the water hose to go in there. So I don't know if the pump worked, but the motor is good. Even if it's not cranking, even if it's not starting without starter fluid. Now I probably will take this bowl off, clean it, and try to flush out the lines and everything to make sure that it's good. But I'm gonna just start tomorrow by getting some fresh gas, taking this gas out of here, putting new gas in it, to see if it crank and start on its own power. They say these pumps, you can get these pumps anywhere. If the pump is not good, but 9 out of 10 the pump is good. I don't have no reason to believe that the pump is not good. I just gotta get this the insert the inlet for the water hose to be going there. It's supposed to go there. It's supposed to go right there. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot a little bit of starter fluid, just a little bit. By doing that, I hope it burn off all the carbs burn all that carb off of it and everything. But it's running good. See, that gas is bad. That gas is bad, so the remaining gas that's in there is bad. And I also got to still figure out why it won't crank on its own. But it got compression, it got spark. So, what's called this works, that works. So it got compression, spark, the power work to it. I don't know if the pump worked yet because, again, I don't have the fittings and everything. So, next time I'm gonna take that bad gas out, I probably want to try to burn it out now. That's what I'm doing. It ain't that much in there. So I'm gonna try to burn it out to see if just burn it out, put new fuel in it, put the filter back on there. And the filter don't even look that bad. The inside of the filter is not that bad. The outside is not that bad. So, yeah, whoever threw this out, they probably just sat so long outside. All the holes ain't even dry right either. So it probably just sat outside and water got into the tank and it won't crank. But put a little bit of start fluid in it, it fire right up. They've been running for the last 3 minutes. No problem.